Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Last week, I began this series on the Notes app Notesnook. I want to continue the discussion on how best to optimize it for your use, but I feel before we can do that, I need to touch on three important core system structures that Notesnook uses. The foundational focus on privacy, security, and being open sourced is what allows Notesnook to stand out from the rest of the crowd in such a noisy space as the notes and productivity app arena. I personally would not use this app if it weren't for those three focused offerings. First up, what does it mean for a product to be privacy focused? Essentially, this means that the creators of the product have placed a high priority on protecting their users' privacy. They built features into the product that limit the amount of data that's collected, and they've taken steps to ensure that any data that is collected is kept safe and secure. The developers believe that privacy does not always have to come at the cost of inconvenience. Notesnook gives the option to minimize the collection, use, and sharing of your personal data by offering the option to disable telemetry collection. I would highly recommend that you read Notesnook's privacy policy, which can be accessed via the app or on their blog, which I will link in the show notes down below. Next, let's talk about security. When one says that an app or product is secure, it means that it has been designed with the goal of preventing unauthorized access or malicious attacks. This can include things like using strong passwords and multi factor authentication to protect user accounts, or implementing firewalls and other security measures to protect against hackers. A secure product is one that you can trust to keep your information safe. Notesnook prides itself on the fact that it uses end to end node encryption on the user's device before transmission over the internet for syncing. Please understand that no method of transmission or storage is 100% secure. I would suggest reading all the details on Notesnook's website and making the decision for yourself if the benefits outweigh anything else. Finally, let's discuss open source. This term refers to software that has been created with publicly available source code, meaning that anyone can view and modify the code. This allows developers to collaborate and contribute to the software, often resulting in faster development and more innovative features. Open source software is also often more transparent, as users can see exactly what the software is doing behind the scenes and truly scrutinize the software's use and intent. Open source products like Notesnook have a strong community of contributors and users who share ideas, feedback, and support. So, why are these three terms important? Well, in today's digital age, our personal information is more vulnerable than ever. By using products that are privacy focused, secure, and open source, we can better protect ourselves from data breaches and other threats. We can also support companies that prioritize our privacy and security, sending a message that these issues matter to us as consumers. In conclusion, privacy focus, security, and open source are all important concepts to understand when it comes to technology. By choosing products like Notesnook that prioritize these values, we can better protect ourselves and our information online. In next week's video, I'll introduce you to the Notesnook website and its different parts, and most importantly, how to sign up for an account. God bless you, and thank you for watching.